Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will give you a quick and simple video on how to qualify for the Layer 3 Airdrop by collecting cubes. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do so by clicking on the subscription button below and turn on the notification bell so you can get more quality information from this channel. In this task, you need to collect at least 100 cubes in the platform in order to qualify for this airdrop. So if you are an OG or an early beta user, you are in advantage, but know that you still have to collect the 100 cubes. So one of the bonus of doing this quest is that you'll be farming multiple airdrops at the same time, because in order to collect the cubes, you need to do on-chain transactions and you will interact with different applications. So for you to get started, you have to go to the Layer 3 platform. I will be posting the link in the description box. The first quest you can do is Intro to Cubes. And so you have to click on Intro to Cubes and do the quest. These are the tasks you'll be doing in the Intro to Cubes. You do the Introducing Cubes task, Layer 3 Economy. Then the next task is to repost on X. This one is optional. You can do it. You can decide to leave it. Then the next is to bridge to base. So here you bridge funds to base to start minting cubes. So you can bridge any of these tokens, Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, BSC, and all to bridge. You open this Layer 3 bridge and to take you to the site. So it didn't tell us any of these things to bridge. So you just bridge any of them. Make sure it's in base and you enter any amount you want to enter and you bridge. So after you have completed your transaction, you claim your reward. I've done this task already, so you claim your reward. So after the first task you do, then you come to the quest, this place, and look for any other tasks you want to do. There are a lot of tasks here, so all you need to do is complete as much tasks as possible. Make sure that you're going to collect 100 cubes. So the more tasks you do, the more cubes you collect. So you do as much tasks as possible. Here you see different categories that you can do. You can decide to do the category of tasks in Ethereum. You just click on this one. You see a lot of quests. You can do them. Then you can also decide to choose Polygon. You can decide to choose OP mainnet. You can decide to choose ZK Sync. You can go to the ZK Sync resolution. There are a lot of tags here. So you choose as many tags you want from the different categories and complete them. There are also tags from trending communities. You can see tags from Linear Voyage. Linear Voyage has 42 quests. You can see quests from Layer 3, 47. You can see 9 quests from Base. And you can see 8 quests from Koi. There are a lot of quests you can do on this platform. So all you need to do is do as many as possible to make sure that you collect the 100 cubes. This is where you see my progress. As you can see, at the time of making this video, I'm in level 3. This is the quest I have completed already. I've completed 12 quests. So we are still moving on with the quests. And every day you come here and click on the GM streak. So these are the reward cubes. And as you can see, it ends in 39 days. So you have to be very fast to be able to complete it before it ends. So these are the cubes you are going to collect. It's up to 100. The more tasks you do, the more you collect the cubes. Click on reward shop. You see your different rewards, all the boosts that you can use for the tags. Then you click on linear pack. You see there are a lot of tags in linear pack. You can do a lot of different tags in linear pack. All you need to do is scroll through the website and complete as many quests you can. There are lots of quests you can do, so just complete as many quests as possible. So this is the end of this tutorial, and I hope you got value from this. You can also join our WhatsApp group by clicking on the link in the description box, so you can be able to get a lot of information that you need in this space. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.